Hello my cousin, and welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for 1,045 subscribers. So let's make a meal to celebrate. We're gonna need some rice, some onion, some mixed veg, Italian tomatoes in a can, and tomatoes in a blender. Put your tomatoes, your onion, and your Italian canned tomatoes and blend. After this is blended, boil some water. In a pot, put your boiled water, 2 cups of rice, and a bit of salt to season. Cook your rice for about 15-20 minutes. When it still has a chewy texture, which means it hasn't been cooked all the way through, take it off the fire and set aside. Take your chicken and pre-boil it. Well, I like pre-boiling mine. Then season it. I used some tandoori chicken masala. I also used some chicken spice. I then mixed. I also added some Worcester sauce as a spice. I used some rosemary and a bit of ground black pepper. I then fried my chicken in a wok. I don't know if it's just because I watch a whole lot of Chinese cooking shows, but I like to believe that woks add a bit of depth and flavor to a meal. So I enjoy using it. And also I will add my rice to this later on, so I needed a pan that would accommodate the whole meal. You're the one that gives me joy. In the same pan that you fried your chicken, you then add that sauce to it. It also, adds a bit of flavor with the remaining, seasoning from the chicken. After that is cooked a bit, add your rice to the sauce and mix it well. After that has been mixed, you're gonna need a casserole dish to put your rice in. I added a bit of mixed veg. Then put the rice in a casserole dish, put your chicken on top, cover with aluminium foil, put in an oven, and this will be the final product. I hope that when you try this, you do let me know, and hopefully your families, your friends, or whoever you're gonna try this with enjoys it. Thank you so much, my cousins, and to all the new cousins, thank you for joining my growing family.